Have you ever been to a demolition derby and ever wondered, what goes on behind the scenes, what kind of preparation it takes to get the vehicle to the actual derby to be derby ready? Or maybe you're just somebody who, is already within the derby scene, but you're just looking for some place where you can go that, has a little bit of derby talk with a little bit of tips and tricks and videos on building, stuff like that. If you answered yes to either of these two questions, then this channel is for you. Hi there, I am JJ and welcome to the Grinding Gears YouTube channel. This channel will cover just that. We'll take builds starting from start to finish. Every vehicle build will start with an overview video just to show you kind of what the vehicle is, kind of what game plans there is. And then throughout the video process, I'll show you each video will be a before and after. Before, what the plan is for that video and what we're going to be working on. And then the after part of it of what we've accomplished. And, just kind of building steps to go from getting the car home from what it looks like off the street, building it up, and then being ready to go onto the track and be competitive. So not only we're going to take that step, but also we're going to be featuring helmet camera videos as well as in-car camera videos, so you can actually get inside the car for a demolition derby and see what it's like to be inside there. Another thing is also I'm going to be doing more actual derby footage from outside the vehicle as well. So that's what you have look forward to with this channel. I hope that you join us by hitting that subscribe button, and if you want to be one of the first to know when a new video releases, hit that little bell button next to the button after you hit the subscribe. So thank you for watching these videos, and I hope to see you again. So let's get those gears turning.